Going to the right. Going to the right. Going to the right. Hold on, let me check first. Go ahead. To the right.
It's time to get live tonight. We about to hit the dance floor. Show you how we do it down
Let me see, it's kind of slow.
Hey, let's go.
Where the car coming by? Go ahead.
Go straight to the dance floor with a couple of friends. I saw the sexy lady with some high heel boots. She was hanging with some girls with the Daisy Dukes. So I walked in her direction cause I like what I see. She come to find
Go to the right.
she was looking at me. Then she turned
all the way to the curb, right there.
backing it up. And so I had to grab
Stop.
my pants and started jacking it up. Then I said, this my
Go around me, stop. And go down this street. Go around here?
Hold
on. Go down this street. All right. You ready? Yeah.
Atticus, come here. Yes, Paul?
Go down to the stop
Looking
sign
at it.
and make a left.
Huh?
Go all the way down to the stop
We're gonna have to get down there and see what this carrying on is all about. All right.
to another party, it was down on the beach. I saw a lady, said her name was Georgia Beach.
Oh, I'm gonna run out of something.
My music and she
there
liked
you
how
go.
I smell. I was speechless like her body put
To the
me
left.
under a spell. I offered her a drink, I had a bottle of shine. She started sipping slow, said she was taking her time. But she asked me for some more, so she was feeling alright. And I just might take me home at the end of the night. And I said, this my type of carry on. I said, now this my type of carry on. From the night until the early morning. I said, now this
My type of carry on. Go down to the end and make a left.
this my type of carry on.
Right here?
This my type of carry on. This my type of carry on. This my type of carry on. From the night until the early morning. This my
Type of carry on. My type of carry on. Get boy. Well, rock it to the right, the curve, to the left.
rock it to the left, rock up in the middle, boy, rock
Whoa.
up in the middle, boy, rock up in the middle, rock, rock. I said,
Rock.
rock it to the right,
Wait a minute.
rock, rock it to the left, rock up in the middle, boy, rock up in the middle, boy, rock up in the middle.
Trim it a little bit more. This is St. Jamesville right there to the right. All right, make it to the right, okay. Get to the stop sign and let me pull up first. All right, let me get to the right.